Do you have an inquiring mind? Are you good at science and maths? Are you a clear and logical thinker? Do you have a methodical approach to work and a high level of accuracy? Do you have mental flexibility? Physical science technicians carry out work that assists scientists in the advancement and development of this important field. The technician's work plays a major role in the initial stages of research and development, as well as in scientific investigation. By undertaking these experiments and tasks, technicians support scientists so that the scientists can focus on and perform the more complex analytical processes of their research. Physical science technicians work in their chosen fields of interest. The actual focus and the nature of the work that technicians carry out will depend on who they work for, as well as the field of science they specialize in. The fields of physical science include astronomy, geology, meteorology, and nuclear physics. The technicians carry out data collection in both laboratories and in the field. In laboratories, they perform experiments and tests with the aim of producing data that will assist further scientific investigation. They carry out investigations by following the strict methods and protocols that have been written up for the research they are involved in. If working in the field, they collect data on phenomena such as floods, ocean currents, climatic changes, geomagnetic patterns, earthquakes, or solar incidences. Both in the lab and field, physical science technicians use highly specialized analytical instrumentation to collect the research data. This data is then analyzed and reduced for use in reports or to support further research work. In the lab, physical science technicians are often responsible for general housekeeping. They comply with and enforce health and safety policies regarding equipment handling and use. They ensure that the lab and preparation room is maintained in a safe, clean, and orderly manner. They carry out maintenance inspections on equipment to ensure that it meets calibration standards and is completely functional. Science technicians generally work regular hours when working in laboratories. Field work may require traveling, sometimes to remote areas, as well as working outside if the research requires it. In order to enter this occupation, a national diploma in an area of physical science is required. However, the majority of training is likely to take place on the job, with supervision from more senior members of the team. This may include training on the use of highly specialized technical apparatus. Specialist training for specific tasks, methodology for sampling, as well as testing and the recording of tasks will be given. If necessary, specialized health and safety training will also be done. Progression may mean taking on more responsibility, as well as a supervisory role managing a team of technicians. With experience, a technician may progress to the position of a senior technician, team leader technician, and then laboratory manager. At this level, more specialist and complex tasks will be carried out. In order to gain further promotion, a technician may need to move to a larger employer, or to a position where progression is typically more defined.